Yeah, welcome to my channel again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All depend on where you are watching me from. This channel is all about cooking, traveling, and adventure. Today, I'm going to show you step by steps on how I make my ogbono soup. In case if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help us subscribe, help us like, and share to your friends. Thank you. Okay, let me introduce to you all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this ogbono recipe. Okay, here I have my ogbono seed already grounded. Here I have my crayfish. I have onions. Here I have smoked fish. Here I have pepper. And I have my meat. I'm going to use cow meat. This is pomo called cow skin. Here I have catfish. Here I have my vegetable. This is called ugu leaf. And I would like to add scent leaf to really bring out the full flavor of this ogbono soup. And I would like to add uzuza leaf. And here I have my locust beans called okpehe. Here I have my seasoning cubes. Lastly is palm oil, red oil. First thing I'm going to do is to cook my meat first with this pomo or cow skin. I'll cook two of them together. I'm going to use some onions and some seasoning cubes with little pepper to prepare this meat. You must wash the meat very well to remove every dirt. Yes, I washed this for like 7 good times before cooking it. You got to use knife to scrub the inside to remove every dirt. That is dirty, very dirty. So you got to scrub it. See how it look now, very clean. Okay, this is our meat. This is the pomo. This is onions and pepper with seasoning cubes. We're going to use to cook the meat first. Let's make our fire. We're going to use local fire. Okay, as at this time, please let me beg you for something. Help me subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Just subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. I say thank you. Subscribe. Thank you. Okay. It's time to cook our meat. First put our empty pot beside the fire without water. The meat that I've already washed I'll put it inside the pomo that I've already washed. Add the pomo. My pepper and onions. Add it. I'll add salt into it. I'm going to add my seasoning cubes. This is my Maggi. I'm going to add it. I'm going to stir all together and cover it. Okay, after several minutes, let's see how it look like. It has generated some water, little water to it to cook it proper. While we wait for the meat to be soft on the fire, let's go and cut our ugu, prepare our pepper, and arrange every other thing for the soup. Okay, this is our ugu leaf. This is our Zuza leaf. We're going to use it combined with ugu and scent leaf to cook this ogbono soup. Yeah, I like to remove the seed before blending it. I have three varieties of pepper here. I have the shombo, which is the tatase, the yellow pepper, and ordinary pepper. This is combination of onions and all our peppers. Let's go and blend it all together. Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. Just subscribe, please. I beg you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Help us like and subscribe. This is our stock, our catfish. I like to wash this one with salt because of stone to remove every form of stones and dirt. Love it to this one. Every part of this fish is meat, both the bone, even the head. Every part is meat. Please subscribe, like, Sure. Okay, let's check our meats. Let's go. Wow. This is the meat. Let me test if it's ready. Let me test one more face. Very soft. Test the meat. How about good? Mhm. Please subscribe, like, and share. Please subscribe. Thank you. Please subscribe. Subscribe now. Subscribe. Thank you. Okay, now let's start the cooking proper. I will add the oil on the fire first, allow it to boil, then pour it inside my ogbono seed and mix it together very well. Why am I doing this? So that it will not have lumps. After mixing it, I will return the pot into the fire and return the meat that I've cooked. Then add my pepper. Remember this stage, whatever ingredient you add, you must stir it very well. Allow it for a while before you add another thing. Now I'm adding my seasoning cubes. Now I'm adding my salt and I'm adding my crayfish. This is crayfish. Stir it very well and let me taste. Wow, very sweet. Now this is my fish, my smoked fish. Add my smoked fish and stir it well before adding the catfish. This is the catfish. I'm adding the catfish. Very sweet, tasting. Now I have to stir it very well. Make sure you cook this ogbono soup very well before you eat. Now let me add my okpehe. This is my okpehe. Yes, I'm stirring it very well. Let me add little water to the soup so that it will not be too thick and stir it very well and cover it for a while. Okay, after a while, this is the time to add my ogbono seed that I've already mixed with palm oil. I'm adding everything. Then just stir it little and cover it for it to cook. Okay, let's check our soup. Please, you need to cook your ogbono soup very well so that it will not make you to push. So wonderful. Now it's time to add our vegetable. This is our vegetable. Add stir the vegetable together with the soup. Perfect. Let me just allow it to stir. Okay, let's check. Wow, it's delicious. Wow, sour bola. Beautiful, beautiful. Very, very delicious. Soup is ready. Mm. Time to eat. Time to eat. It's time to eat. Let me give this soup a taste. Ah, mm. Oh boy, so delicious. Mm. Sorry. Mm. Please subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Leave us a like. Share to your friends so we can bring more videos on your way. Thank you. Mm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you some other time.